That was weird. Whatever that was, I wouldn't do that.
So, today we are going to install the ZL1 shifter, right?
ZL1 1LE shifter.
There we go. And shift knob.
I was showing off the shorter
Okay.
shifts. They're not actually shorter in this context.
I should have pulled this out of the box earlier. And the shift knob. Out of also ZL1 1LE?
Yeah.
Yeah. Onto the car. Onto our 2017 Chevy SS. So, we're going to see how that goes. Hopefully I don't lose a finger like I almost did last time I installed a shifter.
I cut my finger on my mom's wing. I hope I can still dance.
Last time I almost lost a thumb. She's all good.
This is where we're going to post a picture of her thumb.
We're not posting a picture of my thumb.
Blur it out so we don't get demonetized, even though we're not monetized.
So, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's do it.
Hey, it's hot. Let's go.
Homegirl's trying her hardest.
Do you want to try it? The possibility.
Right on the internet, but it's fine. You didn't say I had to separate it from the boot. I thought that you told me to pull the ring
No,
out.
not the trim ring. I don't know how that comes out. I've never messed with that part.
Here's the thing. I don't like it.
I know that those just pop.
But if you put a body clip tool under it, don't you chance damaging the center console in it? Oh, you're just not scared of anything. Oh, my hand's stuck. Give it back to me. Give me my hand.
Can I go between the seats? Great.
Look at her.
Same exact rod, and if we just pop this clip and push that one out, which is easy to get to, except for I was stuck.
Many unbearable hours later.
Just go from whence we came. I don't remember. That little tab on that clip is what I was fighting to try to get out, because these they sit like over you have to rotate them upwards and then pull them out like yay. What a pain. Just go right out.
Look at him go.
I'm gonna go get dirt in his eye. Owie.
I'm sorry.
Crying helps.
I think this has been out of focus since you messed with it earlier.
Is it in focus now?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey guys, we're back.
Okay, so words are hard. With this new shifter and shift boot, the ring is different because it's not meant for a Chevy SS. So we will actually do this at another point and we'll show you guys like the finished product, because what we have to do is take this ring out and put it into this one after we remove this ring. So on top of that, it'll take like a few days probably to dry whenever we glue it to this ring. So that's not gonna be done today. Would have been nice, but we're just gonna finish putting everything back together now.
Hey, you guys are considering putting a 6th gen knob on your 5th gen shifter. Don't. Had to modify the shifter to get it to fit, and wanted it to be as tight as possible, so left the clearances pretty tight, and we're finding that right now. I'm just gonna stop there. I got the shifter before you did.
That's not fair.
Hey, we did this.
Yeah.
And minus the boot being done, that is spectacular. Okay, you wanna back out of here?
Yes. Wanna go eat hot dogs?
Oh my God, you look like the 4th of July. It makes me want a hot dog real bad.